We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this American clothing company known globally for its Levi's brand of denim jeans. How do you go about pronouncing it? In American English, the original pronunciation of the brand in the US is normally as Levi Strauss, Levi Strauss & Co. However, the German name is normally said in German as Strauss, Strauss. But yes, the name of the brand itself is normally said from the US as Levi Strauss & Co. Did you get it? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce the names of many more fashion and design brands whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.